me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. So, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I had the flu, and then I went to Dominican Republic, which you will see a video for that soon, and I was in Dominican Republic with a flu. And JetBlue did me wrong. I'm making a video on that and I'm gonna expose them. And I've never done a story time before, so I'm really nervous. But this video is for a company that's really cool. So soon you will see a story time, MacBook review, because I'm filming that soon, and my Dominican Republic experience. I'm still kind of sick. If you can't hear that in my voice, great. If you can, I'm sorry. Okay, so today I will be showing you guys a lookbook, and I love lookbooks. I just enjoy doing them. I think they're so fun. So I will be doing that today, and I'll also be showing you an unboxing. The company King and Fifth reached out to me and sent me a beanie. And like, I like beanies for certain looks, so I was like, alright, like I can work with a beanie, alright. So I actually found out how much I really like this beanie, and if you like this beanie and would like one too, I have a code, which is Jennifer10. So Jennifer 10%, you'll get 10% off. And so this is how it came. It came in this cute bag, which kind of just says King and Fifth everywhere, and their website is really nice. Like, if you go on it, it looks mad aesthetic and cool. So if you're a beanie person, I think you're really gonna like this. And it comes like this. And I took this off, but this is their cute little logo, King and Fifth. And I got a gray beanie, because gray goes with everything. And it says King and Fifth here. And it's actually like, it's really good quality, I would say. I don't remember the price, but I'll put it somewhere here. And of course the website will be linked down below. So this hat is really nice quality. It feels really nice. It's nice to wear, and it actually stays on my head. I don't know if you guys have problems with beanies or beanies can't stay on your head. I do, but this one actually does, and you could roll it up and it'll look nice. And it seems really plain, but it's just such a nice thing to have in your closet, just like a plain beanie if you ever want to like you know, for certain looks, girl, like you know. And yeah, I'll be showing you more. I'll be showing you a lookbook of me finding out different looks with this cute little beanie. So without further ado, let's get into the lookbook. you guys so much for watching, and thank you King Fifth for sending me this cute little hat. Like, I had so much fun filming this lookbook. And of course guys, don't forget my code Jennifer10 for 10% off, and the website will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye, see you soon. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you would like to follow. Come through. Okay, so y'all, my favorite types of videos, hauls. I'm so excited. It was a